Hello everybody, my name is Shania Bar. I'm 11 years old. So I'm going to tell something about Tux Paint. So this is Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a platform drawing program created by a specific for children's little kids as young as 3 and 12 2 years. They all have always having fun to finding their way into drawing. So first is this paint. We can select any color from here, and if we do not like color from here, we can click here and choose any color. And if I am done with the color, if I still do not like the color, if I want to just draw the voice, let me show you. Wait a minute. Wait, let's start with the first paint. So first paint, in paint we use these colors and these brushes, like this this flower. Wait, I have not selected the color pink. See, written um back upside down E. So next is stamp. A stamp is also used like that only. So these are the 6 type of stamps in this. So which stamp should I pick? This one. I have clicked that, and these it is also fun for the kids because of the sound. Hmm? So next, stamp is also helping us to making noises, and also paint it also helps. So it is also, and it is also free program of the Tux Paint is a free program of drawing for the kids. So, oh, you can also download it easily. So, lines like this. I have choose that one. So now it's not the straight line. So I am going to click it, and it will come straight. See, that is the only flower it's coming in between. So next is shape. Shape. There one side is unshaded inside and one side is shaded. There are mm, many shapes like star. Star is 3 type of star. Is one of with 3 sides only, and second with 4 sides only, and third is with 5 stars. And this room bus and hexagon, octagon. Hexagon is there too. Pentagon, triangle, spheres, circle, triangle, square. These all shapes are there, so I will try first circle. And now I want a filled circle. that I will do in new page. So I have saved it and taking a new page. So this is new pages. In these new pages, we have this color option. We can, if we do not like any color from here now, so we can use from there. We can touch that, double click, and double click, and I have selected my color, and this is the reason why I used it. So I will do a shaping competition. See, we can make designs between it. We have made this circle, this circle over here, here half circles, small, small, here small, and here small. So see, there's a design. The shape is considered as design also. Now we will go to erase. Erase is a type that helps us to erase all the things, but in this eraser, it helps us of making sound. And if one eraser is left here now, like my eraser is left, like I will show you one shape here, and my eraser is left in half only, like you have seen it before. If it is that also, we can also erase it that. So now it's text. I'm making my name. See, and there are many pounds in it. Oh, wait a second. So the name should be here, and I'm writing my best friend's name. There you go. So in this, it helps us decorating the things. I will show you one thing. It's coming later. So I am now doing it here. I'm not writing any. See how beautiful it's written. This is a calligraphy type only. Now it's so save. Save it helps us to save the thing we have done now. So it will help us to save the whole document and make. We can also print here. If we want to print, अगर आपके पास प्रिंटर है अभी तो आप प्रिंटर से कर सकते हो. कैंसल, ये को भी प्रिंट नहीं करना है. So in open we have seen, I have showed you the stamps, fish, this, Many things I have shown you. I have done this before. See my best friend's name and me. And this is only from the new page. I will show you. Let me erase. Take a new page. Wait a second. See, there's a fish, elephant, tortoise, a castle, bird, chicken, hearts. A lot of things are there. There are colorful also drawings. Sometimes it is colorful. See, there are maps also to color. They are colorful. It has many features, but it's very cool. So I want to take which would I take? Okay, I should take a magic first. No page, sorry. So this is was the page. That's so funny. So so this is the end for this. I will show you afterwards in next part. So bye guys.